Hello again. Welcome to the video lessons of IELTS Impact. This is my 7th video on IELTS General Reading section. In this particular video, I'm going to tackle 3 question types, and I'm taking an example of longer passages here. So if you go back to the strategy that I have discussed in earlier videos, the first thing you will do that you will go through this longer passage and you will try to understand what is it about. Number 2, you will look at the question type, the longer passages, that means more than one question type. So you can see there are 3 question types. As you know, by watching video 5 and video 6, that we assume that this question type appears first and we will start doing that accordingly. But we should also keep in mind that another question types might, even if it is rare, appear first in the passage, and in that case I might be in problem because time is an important factor in the test. So what we will do as a precaution for that, we will take one keyword from each question type. Now this is a sentence completion type of questions, and you should know that answers are given in sequence in the passage. So I will take one keyword from this. The mechanical theatre shows court life, so I will take that as a keyword, court life. Right, I'll underline this, court life, as a keyword. And I have to take one keyword from this section as well, matching sections, matching information with the list. Now you must know that in this type of question, answers are not given in sequence. That means you might not get 31 first and then 32 and 33. No. And how will you take the keyword here? Because usually we take the keyword of the first question and we find it one. Here you have to do a bit different. You will have to take the keyword from the list of the people. Although there is no guarantee that you are going to get the first name of the people or object or name of the place or name of the year, whatever. So that means you have to take the name of the people in account, that if I find any name of a person, I will underline that or I will drop a hint there. Still you can say that you might get the first name first, so it's testivious, so I will take in mind all the name and testivious as well. With these 2 keywords in mind, court life and any name I'll say, so any name, so I better underline the what people here. With these 2 keywords in mind, I will start doing question type 1 at first, assuming that it appears first. Again, this question type, any fill in the blanks, actually they always appear in sequence in the passages. So I will take one keyword and I will try to find the answer. I will be careful, however, that how many words are allowed, so only one word allowed here. So the ancient Greek had a number of dash concerning automata, so I will take ancient Greek as an obvious keyword. So I will take ancient Greek as a keyword here, right? And then I will try to find ancient Greek and I'll come back to the question to see what exactly I have to answer. So I will start reading the passage from here right now. What I'm looking for is ancient Greek, so I'll become a bit faster. Okay, so I got the word. This is ancient Greek. It means I'm going to get the answer perhaps in the in this sentence. So let me see what I have to find out. The question says here that ancient Greek had a number of dash concerning automata. Okay, so perhaps a number of what can be an important. If nothing comes to your mind, then a number of should be there somehow before the answer. So let me go back again to the question that I have underlined. The sentence says several myths show that the ancient Greeks were interested in the creation of automata. Now if you don't have any clue, at least you have one strong clue, a number of, and the word here is several. You can see, and the answer is myths. So that's your answer, myths. Right. Now move to the next question, that means next keyword. Okay, according to one, so it's a bit longer, so better you'll go further. It seems most likely that the mechanism which controlled them. So mechanism which controlled them. We have to find out about some mechanism. Okay, some mechanism that controlled them consisted of what, which were worked by human operators. Okay, so I will keep these three information in mind because you have been doing it for quite some time. So instead of coming back to the passage, I'll keep that in mind. So I have to find out a mechanism which is controlled or worked by human operators consist of what, and I have to find out one word answer. Okay, let me go back. So mechanism, human operators, something that I have to find out here as a keyword. I start the god of mechanics art was reputed to have made female statue of pure gold, as well as giving automata place in myth. The Greek almost certainly created some. These were probably activated by levers, human action. Okay, so I'm getting something like human operators. So let's find out whatever is the mechanism, what does it consist of? So read the entire sentence. These were probably activated by levers. And powered by means human operator is required, but what does it consist of is levers. So that is your answer number 2. So that's your answer, lever. Fine. Okay. Now I have to look at question number 3. Question number 3 is some automata were designed to be dash with an educational purpose. Okay. Designed to be what? Okay, designed to be what? But it's difficult to find the keyword here. Designed to be what? Right? With an educational purpose. Okay, this is something that we can find. Educational purpose we have to find out, and then we will see designed to be what. Right. So let's go back. Here we are. So although there are description of steam and water being, I think this period should not be here, right? Water being used as a source of power. Automata were sometimes intended by, okay, designed to be. Intended means designed to be, isn't it? Yes. So designed to be twice. Tools, both are there. Twice or tools. Twice or as tools for demonstrating basic scientific principles. So that's educational purpose, you can see there. So designed to be twice. Yes, so twice is the answer here. So twice is the answer. Okay, fine. So we have got the answer of all 3 questions given in summary completion, and so far we haven't met any of the name means expression from question type 2 or code live. That means we have to read further to find out the answer of these questions. So we will continue with the same passage in our next video. That will be video number 8. But this time we will tackle the question matching with the list, right? And the process is in your mind, so we will start reading after that. If you want to look at the answers of the questions, you can see it in the end. So these are the any sections answers are given in the end. So these are answer for your reference. Okay, so let's go back to the beginning. In the next video we will tackle this matching with the list, and that will be video number 8. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.